How to turn on Snapchat dark mode. So if you want to turn on your dark mode on Snapchat, then first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application, and after opening your Snapchat you can simply go to your profile, which is on the upper left corner, and then you can go to the upper right corner which has settings, and now you can scroll down and go to I need help and then search for dark mode. And after searching here, you will have how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. You can simply tap on that, and now you can see that for Android users you have to have a Snapchat Plus subscription to have the dark mode, but for the Apple users they don't have to take the Snapchat subscription. They can simply go and turn the dark mode on. But if you are an Android user, then unfortunately you don't have that option. So what you can do is you can simply go back and now scroll down and go to I have a suggestion, and then here go to settings, and now you have to write something that make dark mode option available. And after that, after writing a suggestion, you can simply tap on submit, which is on the bottom of your screen, and after suggesting, Snapchat can make some actions on that. So that's it. That's how you turn on dark mode. That's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.